All right, so I'm sure this has happened to you. You have that like one friend that's an Instagram influencer, and they gave a little shout out to like one of your products you make, and all of a sudden everyone wants an earwax remover, and they got that little corkscrew. Why would you put that in your ear? I got one of those ads the other day, and it's like, I'm not putting that in my ear. You think Q-tips are bad? Look at that thing. It's like a drill bit. Rant over. Sorry. How do you deal with big demand? Let's say all of a sudden you're noticed by a whole bunch of people and they want what you're selling. Or let's say that there is a change in the market and all of a sudden what used to be there is not there and they want your product. How do you deal with that rapid upscale? You know what else could happen? Graham's finally told all of her friends about that great thing you made and it's catching on. All right, so the very first place is probably dealing with your vendors. Talking to the vendors, seeing if they can handle an increase in demand, if you can also get volume discounts on your pricing, even shipping. There's lots of things that open up when you're able to upscale and meet a higher volume. Now, if you're in manufacturing, one of the biggest things, if you don't have it and all of a sudden you need a whole bunch of something, you better have a bill of materials. Because what's going to happen is you're hiring more people. They need to know what goes into a product and how much you have. So if it's just, well, we usually grab some from here and some from there, you're about to be in a world of hurt. You need an efficient warehouse. How it's laid out, how easy it is to access stuff, that all of the inventory is in its accurate location. All of those things, even if they add just, let's say, 2 minutes each time someone has to go grab something and they have to search. 2 minutes put up against the high demand every time they have to make one product that you're trying to make as many as possible. You are losing stock every day. You are losing potential customers because you can't make enough. So efficient warehouse, must have. What can you do on the software side of things? Well, this kind of ties into the efficient warehouse, but you need barcoding. You need proper labeling, and you need a barcode system. That means it'll scan it that goes, or it might go, or you know, it might not make any noise. I just wanted to make a noise. All of that should tie into your inventory software and also your other integrations. We're getting at this really cool point now in technology where so many things will work and integrate with other softwares and solutions so that you're having to spend less time going out into each individual app and it's all getting pushed into a main hub. That is a time saver. That is going to allow you to meet a much larger demand because you're not spending time in all those little places. Jazz hands. Bottom line. Big demand essentially means that you don't have as much time as you used to, so you need to be able to do things faster, more efficiently, but because you're doing more, you'll have a better volume pricing, you can probably pass that down to customers, and that can just help grow the demand that you're facing. So, if you're facing big demand, make sure to tell your Instagram friend that's an influencer, but most importantly, thank your grandma. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.